Hey everybody, welcome to Hodl and Shill. I'm Cryptopher Columbus, and today I want to talk about Quick Fingers Luke trading strategy. So if you haven't heard of it, you hear me talk about AltTrady, you hear me talk about the automated trading there, the methods and the strategies. Well, all of that is based on QFL. So QFL is Quick Fingers Luke trading strategy, and I have put together a comprehensive list and guide on the entire strategy. It is it's about 21 pages if you were to print it out. There's videos, there's examples, and it goes over everything that you need to know about the Quick Fingers Luke strategy, which is QFL again. So we go through the QFL trading methodology, thinking in probabilities, looking for an argument, read the story, setting alerts on buy and sell orders, selling, volume, low volume coins, the market scanner, which is now crypto-based scanner, the overall strategy for account management, account building, position trading, trading within a range, market corrections, delayed profit strategy and the free coin strategy, day trading notes, getting started, and AltTrady tips and tricks. So I'm going to be tweaking this a little bit. I'll be improving it as we go, but this is just the page that it'll be at. This will be a staple of the Hodl and Shill community and the guides and blog that we have together. And this is everything that you can possibly need about the Quick Fingers Luke strategy. These are notes taken directly from the Steemit blog. I will be linking to those sources here within the actual guide itself. So you'll have all of the links, the guides, everything in one place. But definitely check this out if you are looking to learn about Quick Fingers Luke trading strategy and how to use it. This is the only guide that you'll ever need. If you haven't already, take time to subscribe to the channel. If you haven't joined our community, you might want to look into joining our community. And of course, we have our newsletter. It's a free newsletter on Substack. You want to subscribe to that. The links to all of that will be in the video below in the description. So I highly recommend that you take advantage of those opportunities. And that's about it. Otherwise, we'll see you on our other videos. Thank you.